welcome back to another video. In today's video, as you guys can see by the title, we are going to be unboxing another Trend Mood box. So you guys have actually seen me unbox one of these before. It was actually the Trend Mood X Ole Henriksen. It was like a full box of Ole Henriksen, and you guys, that box was so worth the money. I have been obsessed with these ever since. So this one that I have here is volume 6, which I'm super excited for. So obviously I already know what's in here. You guys, I did not open this up, not even to peek, not to look, because I definitely wanted to wait for today's video. So I'm super excited to unbox all of this, you guys. If you guys don't know who Trend Mood is, they are basically an Instagram page ran by a woman named Sophie. She is so amazing, you guys, and honestly, if you are a makeup junkie, you definitely need to follow that Instagram page, which if you're watching this video, you probably follow them already. But if you don't, you definitely need to, because they are the page that is going to keep you up with all of the new releases. And girl, sometimes Trend Mood knows a new release before the brand even announces it. So honestly, definitely check out Trend Mood on Instagram because they're bomb. So getting back to the box, these boxes are amazing and the values are out of this world. And honestly, what you pay for it, girl, you're gonna have to just stay to the end, because I am gonna calculate everything full price and tell you guys how much the box is full price and how much I paid for it. So let's get into the video. Before we jump in, please don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not already. And of course, if you guys would like to see everything that is in this Trend Mood box, which is the volume 6 box, then just keep on watching. Oh my gosh, you guys, I cannot even tell you how excited I am right now, even though like I already know what's in here. But it's still so exciting to open it, you know? Okay. So here is what the box looks like when you open her up. So she is beautifully packaged with this beautiful purple wrapping that says Trend Mood right in the center. So we're just gonna break that open. Okay, you guys, so here's what the box looks like when you open her up. There's so many goodies in here, so let's get into it. So the first thing that I see here is absolutely humongous, so I'm going to pull it out first. This is the makeup eraser. It's called the Sponge, and this is the first ever machine washable makeup sponge. Okay, so you can actually put this in the washing machine. That is so convenient, you guys, honestly. So it says machine washable, non-toxic dye, no special cleansers, reusable, and it lasts up to 6 months. You can use it wet or dry. So girl, which means you're going to save a ton of money. I am very excited for this. So it says you can use it obviously for foundation, concealer. I'm just trying to figure out what this container is. So the sponge is right in here, but it has like this pink container. What is that for? I don't know. Let's see. Okay, guys, so I quickly just read the directions on here because obviously reading is fundamental. So this piece right here actually screws together the top and the bottom, and you basically put the sponge in there, twist it together to tighten, and you throw it in the wash with this plastic container, which is such an amazing idea because when I'm thinking about washing a sponge, like, girl, what if it gets lost? You know, like, how am I supposed to find it? So you can actually put this entire component into the washer, and you can also put it in the dryer, which is insane. Like, I can't even imagine this not melting, but I mean, if that's the directions, then that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm super excited to try this. It looks so cool, and the fact that it's machine washable is incredible. So I'm really hoping that it's an amazing sponge. We will see. The next item in the box is also from the makeup eraser. This is actually the original makeup eraser, which if you guys have not seen one of these before, it's basically a cloth that you wet. You don't have to use any cleanser on it. You just put it under the water, let it get a little bit wet, and you literally just wipe off your makeup, and girl, it removes everything. These are amazing. So I have tried these before. I'm so happy to have another one in my collection because they are truly bomb. The next thing in here I am super excited about. These are the Milani Fruit Fetish lip balms. So when this collection launched, I didn't order the lip balms. I just ended up getting the setting sprays. But girl, after like seeing everybody use these, I was like, dang, I really should have ordered the lip balms. But then I saw that these were going to be in the Trend Mood box, and I was like, oh, I'll just get it in there. So there is a dragon fruit peach, which looks like this. You also have a strawberry lemonade, which I'm super excited to try. It looks like this. And then the last one is mango coconut, which sounds so delicious, you guys. And honestly, can we just talk about the packaging for a second? They are so cute. Milani did such an amazing job with this collection. This is what the tubes look like. I think they're so cute. So we got those in the box. The next thing I was super excited about, actually Sophie posted a video of this product opened up, like so you can actually see the product inside. And girl, at first I thought it was like a highlighter, like a body glow or like a body highlighter. It was an eye cream. What? When she posted that it was an eye cream, I was like, I need to try that right now. So this is actually a new product to First Aid Beauty. This is the First Aid Beauty Eye Duty Niacinamide. Is it niacinamide? Niacinamide? I'm not 100% sure. A brightening cream. And this is what the box looks like right here. So I'm really excited to try this, you guys. Especially because you guys know I'm like true to my Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream. I really do want to try something else. So here's what it looks like when you take it out of the packaging. It is super tiny, but keep in mind, you do not use a lot of eye cream. So I'm not even mad at it. I do want to open it up because I really want to see what it looks like, you guys. Oh my gosh, you guys. It looks so pretty. Can you see that? It has like a beautiful glow to it. I almost just spilled it out of the packaging, of course. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to use this, you guys. I am so excited. You have no idea. So we did get this in the box as well. The next thing that we got is from Nabla. Recently, I actually picked up some of their highlighters. Actually, a while ago, they were on sale during Ulta's last 21 Days of Beauty. They're nice, but they're more of like a skin-like glow. They're not like super blinding. But this is their Miami Lights Glitter Palette. This is what the packaging looks like right here. Honey, she is bright, bold, and beautiful, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and just take this out the packaging. I want to see what it looks like. So I'm not really one to use like pressed glitters, but these actually looked really pretty. So here's what it looks like right here. You guys, it looks gorgeous. I really love like this see-through packaging. And here's what the actual glitters look like. You guys, this pink over here, the camera's actually washing it out, but it's like a really beautiful hot pink. I think I'm going to have to do a look with this because it is gorgeous. The consistency feels nice. It actually doesn't feel like those thick glitters. I'm going to swatch the pink one because that's the one that caught my eye. Here's what it looks like. Oh my gosh, do you guys see the reflection? Next, they also sent the Nabla Secret Palette. So here's what the cover of the palette looks like. I've never tried their eyeshadows either, so I'm super excited. I'm gonna just open this up. Okay, it's definitely a pretty palette. It's not something that if I seen online I would be like, oh my goodness, I need it. That's just me being honest, but it is pretty. Honestly, like I said, I don't really know about the formula because I've never tried eyeshadows from them before, but I am excited to try this. Actually, this shade right here is really beautiful, and those two pinks at the top look absolutely stunning. So I don't know, I'm gonna try it out and we shall see. The next couple of things in the box I'm super excited for. So the next thing is the Marc Jacobs at Lash Lifting and Volumizing Mascara. This is what it looks like right here. And you guys, the last time I tried a Marc Jacobs mascara, I believe it was called Velvet Noir. I think that's right. It came in like that. It looked like a hexagon kind of packaging. That mascara was freaking amazing. I actually used to use it when I worked in Sephora because, girl, obviously we get gratis, and I used to love it. It was so, so good. But this is what this one looks like right here. It is so beautiful. This packaging, though, is stunning. It has like gold and black stripes. Obsessed. And of course, they sent it in the shade black. So I'm super excited to try this because you guys know I need to give my KKW Beauty mascara a break because, honey, I be going overboard with that mascara. So the last two things in here are from the brand Lilly Lashes, which I don't really have much Lilly Lashes in my collection. I have like this holiday heart that I got for Valentine's Day, but other than that, I don't really use them. And it's honestly because, girl, I don't know if I want to spend that much money on lashes, to be honest with you. I don't know if it's really, really worth it, but we shall see. So they actually sent over this, which I'm actually really intrigued by. This is the Lilly Lashes Power Liner. This is what the box looks like right here. You guys, this is actually an eyeliner and a lash glue in one. What? Like, so innovative. I am blown away. I was like, wait, what? Which, obviously, we're going to have to really test this out because you guys know I don't even do wing liner like that. But girl, we're going to try this because I'm really excited. Even if I just put this like against the lashes, that way the lash can stick. girl, this is probably going to be great, especially because I definitely like to make sure I don't have that gap between my lashes and the false lashes. So I feel like if this is right in between, honey, you're not going to see anything because it's going to be liner there. So I'm really excited. So I did get this, and then of course not only did they put the liner in there, but they also put a pair of lashes. So these are the Lilly Lashes in the style Miami. These are what they look like right here. Honestly, you guys, I've never owned one of these before. I've never tried these lashes before. Like I said, they're just more on the pricey side, so I'm like, do I really want to spend that much money when I can get lashes like the ones I'm wearing today for $6.99? I don't know. I'm not going to say yes and I'm not going to say no. I definitely have to try these first. Because honestly, just my luck, these are going to be amazing. They're going to blow my mind and I'm going to be like, yep, it's so worth spending $30 on lashes. So we will see. I'm not going to talk too much about that. And honestly, you guys, that was basically it. The last thing in here is just a little card talking about the new Marc Jacobs mascara that I just showed you guys. And that is basically it, you guys. The box is completely empty. So what I'm going to do now really quickly is just go ahead and calculate all these products together. That way I can tell you guys what the value of the box was and how much I actually paid for it. Okay guys, so really quickly I went and wrote down all the prices for all these items, and you guys, the value for this box is over $218. And the only reason why I'm saying that is because Nabla Cosmetics doesn't go by US dollars, so you know the pricing is always a little bit more. So I would say around $218, which is insane because girl, this box was only $68, which is incredible. So I honestly enjoy these boxes and I truly recommend you guys get your hands on one. They're just amazing. And honestly, this morning I just saw that the next Trend Mood box is actually going to be all cosmetics specifically from Black owned beauty brands in support of the Black Lives Matters movement, which is so amazing, you guys. I'm definitely going to be supporting that box as well if I can get my hands on it, because if you have tried to get one of these boxes before, you know it is crazy, girl. Like, it's either you're going to get your hands on it or you're not. It's either you're on that website, no lie, like 10 minutes before it drops, because the amount of people that want these boxes is absolutely crazy. These literally sell out within 2 to 3 minutes, which is amazing. So congratulations to Sophie and her team over at Trend Mood. And that is basically it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Let me know if you guys got your hands on this box as well, because I would love to know. And yeah, I'm really excited with everything that I got. You guys will probably see some of these things in future videos. And that is basically it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!